So hey guys, welcome back to the second episode of Mixed It. So in today's video we will mix two different cars. First one is the pickup truck of the Ford F-150 Raptor, and second one is the 4x4 SUV of the Ford Endeavour. So in this video we will mix the Ford F-150 Raptor with the Ford Endeavour. So I have taken both images is here. It's really cool, but the pickup truck is in white color and Endeavour is in blue, light blue color. So color mixing process is really going to very difficult. So if you like the video, that do like and comment, and if you have come first time on my channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification as well. So you can enjoy the time lapse. See you soon in the next video.